That should be something broke for that behavior. Okay, I think we got a little trouble down in the apron. Nothing that can't be fixed. Crashing there. I still don't think anything would thread onto that. Well, now, I deserve an Academy Award for hiding the disgust with myself for crashing that. I had it on auto feed in reverse, and I crashed at the end of the line. I don't have much trouble in the first place. Turns out in the apron there's a pin that goes through from the outside that the larger gear turns on, and that pin was bent a couple degrees. I was able to get it back in the proper position, get it square, plumb. I was still totally dejected about doing anything on the lathe. Later in the day I bought a grinder, and I ground my first piece of high-speed steel, and I am enthused once more. It's off to the races. Please like and subscribe, tell a buddy, and bring a friend. I love you all.